So one of the questions asked is, what are the benefits or how can I benefit from education by virtue of getting the green card? So let's talk about that specifically. So for primary school, middle school, and high school, your kids will attend schools, so long as they're public institutions, free of charge. So myself, I obtained sort of my education through the public education route. It was a wonderful sort of springboard for me. And so it's something that I could recommend. When they go off to university, they will have a lower tuition compared to international students, depending on the institution they go to. So for example, myself, I went to UCLA. I paid about $2,500 per semester in terms of just tuition. But that $2,500, most of that was covered by state of California grants and scholarships and federal grants and scholarships. Anything that grants and scholarships did not cover, whether it was my books, my housing, my transportation, any costs associated with being a student, everything was covered essentially by the federal government. So if it wasn't grants and scholarships, I had access to 0% government subsidized loans that are guaranteed for every US person or for every green card holder. And by virtue of these benefits, my parents were not out of pocket for any educational expenses. Once that was complete, once I completed my university degree, my bachelor's degree, I went off then to law school. And there again, the same benefits applied, where not myself nor my parents were out of pocket for educational expenses. We had the right of every other US citizen in terms of achieving our educational goals, but not being out of pocket for any educational expenses. So definitely, speak to me about the benefits that you can obtain through education. I can sort of talk to your kids about applying the right applications, the timing of these applications to maximize these benefits. So a lot you will gain just through education by undergoing this program.